thunderstorm warning for Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Heartland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Holly around 6 p.m. Clarkston around 6:15 p.m. Oxford around 6:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rochester Hills, Eagle Harbor, Lakeville, Waterford, Orchard Lake, DeVisburg, Holly State Recreation Area, Commerce, Rose Center, and Lake Orion. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Oakland, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.